I'm Eddie, this is an Alfa 166 and I want to show you a few things about the heater motor, about the heater motor fuse, about the heater motor radiator, and what a wonderful easy job it is to do it. Take you about 6 to 8 hours depending on your mood and your skill. This one is a V6. All this applies to the 2-litre ones, the V6 ones, the diesel ones. It doesn't matter if it's left-hand drive or if it's right-hand drive. It's all a bit of a swine. This one's a V6. We've got another car inside which is a 2-litre, which is an easier job because you've got more space in here. And I just want to show you some of the things where they're located before I show you a stripped down car. You've got to take all this plastic off. You've got to take the wiper linkages off. You've got to take the wiper main bar off and the motor. And then you've got to struggle for another couple of hours taking this firewall off here. And I'll show you another car inside where we've done all this work. The heater motor itself, when you eventually get to it, looks like this. If you're looking for the heater motor ballast resistor, it's actually inside the heater motor itself. This one is burnt, and here is the driver or the ballast resistor. It's all electronics, and we've stripped it down, and on the other car we've replaced it in the housing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you another car where we've actually stripped everything down, and you'll see what an awful load of work that you've got to do.